Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question why your Philips Fidelio T1 are not charging. So firstly you need to check if you have a foil at the charging contacts. Right here we have charging contacts, and check, especially if you buy a new earbud. Also you can check the foil at the charging case. Now if you haven't, next step is to clean the charging contacts. You can apply isopropyl alcohol at them and then clean it with a brush or toothbrush if you have a cleaning tool. By the way, at this channel I have a video how to clean this earbud, so you can check it if you don't know how. Now, if the cleaning also didn't help you, I recommend to check your charging cable, check also an adapter, maybe you need to use another one, and also the charging port, what located at the back side of the earbuds. Is everything okay with this port? And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!